Okay, and welcome back. Well, a few days ago I was flying one of my drones along the beach and I lost signal. So I had a bit of a squeaky bum time, didn't know if it was going to come back or not, because it was the first time I'd experienced loss of signal with this particular drone. But luckily it did come back, landed perfectly. So today I thought I would try and recreate it with my DJI Neo just to see if the same thing would happen. So the plan is I'm going to fly the drone about 100-150 meters along the beach, switch off the controller. Hopefully the drone will come back, but I've got a friend with me down the other end of the beach who's going to be near the drone just in case the worst happens. Right, so as you can see, I've got plenty of satellites. I've got 27 satellites, plenty of signal. So I'm going to press the top right hand corner, the three dots. That's going to take me through to the settings. Under safety, down the bottom, you're going to have advanced safety settings. I'm going to click on that. And I've got signal lost, return to home, so I'm going to leave it as that. Then I'm going to go back to safety, and then I've got an auto return altitude which is set to 30 meters, and that's fine for where I am. There's no trees or anything they can go into, so down the beach it's fine. So we're going to fly it out about 100 meters. When it gets there, I'm just going to switch the controller off, and fingers crossed it's going to come back and land where it should. Right, okay, I've got 36 satellites. Home points updated, so let's just take off. Right, so the plan is I'm going to send it about 10 meters and about 100 meters off that way. Okay, so let's take it up. Okay, turn it and send it off. Let's do it in sport. Okay, so there it is coming up on 100 meters. Yep, okay. So now I'm going to switch the controller off. Obviously I'm going to lose the screen record as well. So the controller is going to go off now. And now the drone should turn around and come back to me. So you can hear it becoming closer, and you can see it just over in the point there. So it's going up. Just weave it a bit all over the place. Okay, it's above me now, more or less. It's coming in probably about 20 feet away from me. Oh, that's better. Coming in about 10 foot away. Okay, so it came back. Great, no issues. A bit wavy on the way back, but I said I switched it off, 100 meters, came back, no problem. So the return to work is a lifesaver. Okay, that's it done. Well, if you did find it useful, do the usual and subscribe, and the like, it does help. And maybe I can get into triple figures with subscribers. And until next time, thanks very much. Bye.